What's going on, people? It's your boy Kalechi back with another video. If this is your first time around these parts, hit that subscribe button. If you enjoy anything that we talk about on this video, hit that like button. Turn that thing, say with me now, a blue. But anyway, in this video, we're just going to be going over my Robinhood portfolio, which is now worth about $3,240. And it seems like every single time I do one of these portfolio updates, that day was just a bad day in the markets. Like every single time. Maybe I should stop doing these portfolio updates, because it seems like whenever I turn on the camera and decide to record my screen, everybody in the market is like, he's gonna make a video today. Make sure the market goes down. Make sure that the market is having a little bit of a sell-off so that he can't just show that his portfolio is green all the time. But as you guys know, and I know, we don't care about the regular fluctuations and the regular volatility of the market. No. We don't care about that. We're focused on the long term. And that is going to be the storyline for today. The idea of this portfolio and the idea that I want everybody to take away, from this video is simply this: consistency. Consistency is literally your power, is literally your sword when it comes to investing. And really, when it comes to most things that we do in life, is we got to be consistent with it. We got to just keep coming back to it every single day. We got to keep trying to find new ways to learn new skills, but to stay consistent at the end of the day, to continually grow in whatever it is that we're doing. Just make sure that we are being consistent with it. But anyway, in the portfolio, as you can see, it's now worth $3,240. And as you guys know, the biggest part of this portfolio, which makes up about 59% of the entire portfolio, is SCHD, which is a Schwab US Dividend Equity ETF. I really like this ETF. The main idea is that it tracks a cap weighted index of 100 dividend paying US equities. But the main thing that I like about it is, one, it pays a pretty good dividend. And then on top of it, it also doesn't have some of the things that other ETFs have, like high management fees and all that other stuff. This is literally just tracks the market, but it tracks it in a way that I like. It tracks it in a way where I get paid a pretty good set of dividends. As a matter of fact, I just got paid $13.72 in dividends for the month of June, which I get paid dividends every quarter. And this number has just been rising and rising. If we go to my dividend tracking spreadsheet, by the way, check out this video if you want to learn how you can create a dividend tracking spreadsheet of your own. Basically, you can see like just how much it has been going up over time. You can see just how much in dividends I've been getting paid month over month over month. This is my highest month of getting paid dividends since I started focusing on just investing. Not to say like I'm a dividend investor. I'm not a dividend investor. I'm just an investor. If I find something that I like, I'm going to invest in it. That's basically all that I do. But the point is, it's just nice to see like that, just that growth. Even though it's like $14, and a lot of people can laugh at that and be like, oh, it's just $14. Why are you clapping for yourself with just $14? But it's $14 that I didn't have to sweat for. It's $14 that I didn't have to think about. It's $14 that just came into my account passively. And all I'm saying with this whole thing again is consistency. Over time, that $14 is going to continue to grow, and at one point, hopefully in the future, it'll get to $1,000, $2,000, $4,000. Because as you guys know, my goal, one of the things that I really like to do, is to be able to work without having to work. If you get what I'm saying with this, is for me to be able to just live off of the dividends and the bonuses from my portfolio. But if we dig a little bit further into the portfolio, the last time we talked about portfolio, I talked about the goal for this SCHD ETF is to get it up to $2,000, which we'll probably get there in the next couple of weeks. And once I'm at $2,000, then I can start looking elsewhere to kind of, this is perfect diversification. I don't really have to do anything else if I want to diversify. But then I also there are other companies that I really like. For example, Ally, which, as you guys know, Ally is one of those that I just regret not buying more of. I remember when I first started investing, and Ally, this was during the pandemic, and everybody was freaking out that the banking system is going to crash and all that good stuff. It was the perfect time to invest in bank stocks and in financial companies, and I did that with Ally. I bought into Ally at $16.58. Of course, that has paid me back very handsomely, because right now Ally is trading at about $49. Again, I got lucky, but sometimes you need luck when it comes to this whole thing. But as I've done more research into Ally, as I've learned more about Ally, and because I use their products very proactively, and I tell other people to use their products because I believe Ally right now is is the best bank that anybody can open up. In my opinion, I think Ally is literally the best bank. And plus, the fact that Ally just literally outlawed all overdraft fees, that they just removed it completely, that they will no longer be charging anybody with it, I think Ally is the best bank. In my opinion, Ally is the best bank. So I tell everybody, if you're opening a bank account, if you want an online savings account, if you don't care about going to a physical place for money, which most of us that are around my age don't, I tell everyone, open Ally, open Ally, open Ally. And I'm not just saying that because I'm a shareholder. I was using the service long before I knew about investing and long before I knew about any of these other things. So definitely I'll say Ally. As you can see, I've been rewarded quite nicely with my initial investment of about $100, and now it's worth $174. I wish I had bought a lot more shares in Ally when I first started investing. But you live and you learn. But this is one of the companies that I will be looking to maybe dollar cost average into moving into moving into the future. But apart from that, that's all I got. Once again, remember guys, the last time we talked about this portfolio, it was about $3,000.17 or something around there. And now it's at $3,239. Who knows? Maybe the next time we talk about the portfolio next month is going to be about $1,500 because the market just starts fearing inflation again and everything just starts going down. Or maybe it'll be at 4,000. Who knows? That's the thing. I don't really know. But the main thing is for you to stay consistent with investing. Make it something where you don't even have to be participating in your investment. Just make it an automatic thing. Like for me, every 2 weeks, $50 goes into this account. Every 2 weeks, $50 goes into this account. And that $50 I put into SCHD. $50 into SCHD. $50 into SCHD. And that's all I've been doing. Consistency. Once you learn the art of being consistent, not just with investing, but with everything that you do in life, if you understand just how powerful consistency is and how powerful the compounding effect is when you're consistent with an art, with a craft, with anything that you do, whether it's at your job at work, whether it's in your daily life, whatever it may be that you do, if you're consistent with it, you will definitely see results. It may not be the most amazing results that you may see other people becoming superstars and all that stuff, but you will definitely, without a doubt, see results from your effort. That's just part of the game. That's just how it works. So my thing to every single person that's watching this or listening to this right now is please get consistent. Whatever it is that you're doing with your life, get consistent with it. Learn each and every single day of ways that you can become better at whatever it is that you're doing and keep growing and getting consistent. Just like your investing portfolio grows, you yourself should also grow. Like I told somebody one time, your greatest hedge against inflation is actually you. It's not the stocks that you buy. It's not any of that stuff. It is you yourself. Make sure that you're continuing to grow. Make sure you're staying consistent and making yourself better in whatever that you do. I'm gonna get off my diatribe right now. I'm gonna get off my soapbox. I'm gonna catch y'all up on the next one. Remember, generosity is always greater than greed. God bless each and every single one of y'all, and I'm out. Peace. Whoosh.